Saving money in your 40s is not about undoing every past financial decision, comparing yourself to people who started earlier, or forcing extreme sacrifices to catch up, but about recognizing that this decade is often defined by peak responsibility, higher income mixed with higher pressure, and very little margin for financial mistakes, and how building clarity, protection, and intentional systems now can stabilize your future without creating anxiety, regret, or burnout. Number 10. Accept that your financial priorities have changed. In your 40s, saving money becomes more complex because life rarely revolves around just you anymore, and expenses often involve family, health, housing, and long-term commitments. Many people continue using saving strategies from their 20s or 30s without adjusting for these new realities. This mismatch creates frustration because the old rules no longer fit the current stage of life. Accepting that priorities have shifted allows you to stop fighting reality and start planning around it. When priorities are clear, spending decisions become easier to evaluate. This clarity reduces guilt around necessary expenses. Reduced guilt improves consistency in saving. Consistency matters more than aggressive saving at this stage. Number 9. Focus on stability before optimization. In your 40s, there's often strong pressure to optimize everything at once, including savings rates, investments, debt payoff, insurance, and lifestyle decisions. This pressure usually comes from the awareness that time feels more limited than it once did. However, optimization without stability increases stress and raises the risk of making rushed or poorly timed financial decisions. When bills, cash flow, and obligations are not fully stabilized, even small disruptions can create anxiety and force reactive choices. Stability means knowing that essential expenses are covered comfortably and consistently. It also means understanding that your financial system can function even during a difficult month. Once stability is established, optimization becomes safer and more effective. Without stability, optimization often leads to burnout or regret. In your 40s, protecting the foundation matters more than squeezing out marginal gains. Number 8. Stop lifestyle creep from quietly consuming income growth. For many people, income reaches its highest or most stable point during their 40s, but this increase often brings subtle lifestyle expansion rather than meaningful financial security. Lifestyle creep rarely feels irresponsible because each upgrade appears reasonable in isolation. Better housing, more convenience, higher quality services, and time-saving purchases often feel deserved after years of hard work. The problem is not enjoyment, but automation. When spending grows automatically with income, savings never benefit from progress. This pattern leaves people feeling stuck despite earning more than ever before. Becoming aware of which upgrades truly add value versus which simply absorb income restores control. Intentional lifestyle choices preserve flexibility during uncertain periods. Flexibility is one of the most valuable financial assets in your 40s. Number 7. Treat savings as protection, not restriction. In your 40s, saving money is no longer just about future rewards, but about protecting what you have already built. Savings protect health, family stability, housing security, and freedom from constant financial stress. When saving is framed as restriction, it creates internal resistance and guilt. This resistance often leads to inconsistent behavior or quiet avoidance. When saving is framed as protection, the emotional response changes. Protection feels responsible rather than limiting. This mindset reduces internal conflict when choosing to save instead of spend. Reduced conflict leads to clearer, calmer financial decisions. Savings grow more steadily when they feel like a safeguard rather than a sacrifice. Number 6. Separate short-term needs from long-term responsibilities. Your 40s often include overlapping financial demands such as daily living costs, family support, education expenses, home maintenance, and retirement preparation. When all these demands compete for attention at once, saving can feel overwhelming and confusing. Without clear separation, money decisions become reactive rather than intentional. Separating short-term needs from long-term responsibilities creates structure. Structure helps you decide what must be funded now versus what requires steady, gradual support. This separation reduces emotional pressure during spending decisions. Reduced pressure prevents avoidance and procrastination. Clear structure makes saving feel manageable instead of impossible. Organization allows long-term goals to progress without constant stress. Number 5, increase awareness before increasing savings targets. Many people attempt to raise savings aggressively in their 40s without first understanding where their money currently goes. Without awareness, higher savings targets feel painful and unsustainable. Tracking spending at this stage reveals which expenses support real value and which exist mainly out of habit. This distinction allows meaningful adjustments without harming quality of life. Small refinements often unlock significant savings when income is higher. These refinements reduce the need for extreme cuts. Lower pressure improves consistency. Consistency protects progress over long periods. Awareness allows savings to grow naturally rather than forcefully. Number 4, build buffers for health and uncertainty. Health-related expenses and unexpected disruptions become more relevant in your 40s. Ignoring this reality creates vulnerability. Building buffers for medical costs, emergencies, and income disruptions reduces fear of the unknown. These buffers protect progress during difficult periods. Protection prevents setbacks that erase years of effort. Feeling prepared improves emotional security. Emotional security strengthens long-term saving behavior. Buffers turn uncertainty into manageable risk. Number 3, avoid comparing your financial timeline to others. Comparison becomes especially damaging in your 40s because financial journeys diverge widely by this stage of life. Some people benefited from early starts. Others faced layoffs, family responsibilities, health challenges, or economic downturns. Comparing yourself to others removes context and replaces clarity with regret. Regret often leads to pressure-driven decisions rather than thoughtful planning. Under pressure, people are more likely to take unnecessary risks or adopt strategies that do not fit their reality. Focusing on your own timeline restores perspective. Perspective allows you to make decisions based on your actual needs rather than imagined expectations. When decisions align with reality, they are easier to maintain. Sustainable decisions reduce emotional exhaustion. Your financial plan only needs to support your life, not validate your progress against someone else's. Number 2, simplify financial decisions wherever possible. Life in your 40s is often filled with responsibilities that demand constant attention, leaving little mental energy for complex financial systems. When finances become complicated, they are more likely to be avoided or neglected. Avoidance creates blind spots where small problems quietly grow into larger ones. Simplifying finances reduces mental load and makes action easier. Fewer accounts, clearer categories, and streamlined systems reduce friction during decision-making. Lower friction increases follow-through during busy or stressful periods. Consistency improves when systems require less effort to maintain. Simple systems are more resilient than complex ones. Resilient systems survive real life rather than ideal conditions. In your 40s, simplicity is not laziness, it is strategy. Number 1, redefine success as resilience, not catching up. Many people enter their 40s believing this decade must compensate for everything they did not do earlier. This belief creates urgency and fear, which often leads to overly aggressive or emotionally driven financial decisions. Aggressive strategies may work briefly, but they are difficult to sustain when life becomes unpredictable. Resilience offers a healthier and more realistic definition of success. Resilience means being able to absorb setbacks without financial collapse. It means maintaining stability during illness, job changes, or family transitions. It means continuing progress even when circumstances shift unexpectedly. Resilient systems are built to bend rather than break. Over time, these systems outperform intense but fragile plans. In your 40s, lasting security comes from strength, not speed. Bonus tip: align saving goals with peace of mind, not just numbers. Savings goals are often framed entirely around numbers, percentages, and deadlines. While these metrics matter, they do not reflect how saving actually feels on a daily basis. Goals that create constant anxiety are difficult to maintain long term. When saving supports peace of mind, commitment becomes steadier and more natural. Aligning goals with emotional security reduces avoidance and procrastination. Reduced avoidance improves consistency over time. Consistency allows progress to compound quietly. Savings work best when they support both financial outcomes and mental well-being. Peace of mind is one of the most valuable returns money can provide. In your 40s, saving should make life feel safer, not tighter. If you want to save money in your 40s, choose one adjustment from this video and apply it consistently, instead of trying to change everything at once. Comment which step feels most relevant to your current stage of life, subscribe for realistic and pressure-free money guidance, and thank you for watching. See you next time.